Hi guys, Tom here with another ASUS feature video. This time we're taking a look at the compact and colourful VivoBook 15, also known as the X512. Now this new VivoBook range is all about matching your style, and that's why it's available in a number of different finishes to suit your individual taste. Here we have the VivoBook 15 in a beautiful peacock blue, which has a subtle two-tone effect, resulting in a change of colour when you look at it from a different angle. To find your perfect colour, check out all the variants through the link in the description. Now, along with its colourful appearance, the VivoBook 15 is all about pushing the limits of what's possible. With a 15.6-inch Full HD display, 5.7mm bezels, and an 88% screen-to-body ratio, the VivoBook 15's almost bezel-free display gives you extremely immersive visuals for work and play. But even with these ultra-slim bezels, ASUS have managed to accommodate a HD camera on the top bezel for your video chat or blogging needs. Plus, with its 178-degree wide viewing angle, every visual is as colourful and as striking as the VivoBook itself. It's no mystery that modern life moves fast, and to keep up, you'll need a laptop that won't weigh you down. Thanks to its new frameless four-sided Nano Edge display, the VivoBook 15 keeps dimensions down to a minimum, giving you compact, travel-friendly dimensions and an incredibly light weight of just 1.6 kilograms. But it's not just the Nano Edge display and the compact dimensions that make the VivoBook 15 so innovative. Its precision-engineered ErgoLift hinge holds the display securely at any angle, and adds a 2-degree keyboard tilt to not only give you the perfect typing position every time, but improve the cooling and audio experience as well. And in regards to audio, the VivoBook 15 has ASUS Sonic Master technology, designed with the goal of giving you the very best audio experience, ensuring precise audio encoding and decoding, powerful audio delivery, and deeper bass. And that's it for this video, so if you want to find out more about the VivoBook 15, be sure to click the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more feature videos and ASUS announcements.